2018 reviews note Ford Platinum Expeditionary driver vertical bar correct. The 2018 Ford Expedition is the fourth generation of Ford-sized SUV offerings. It replaces the model that traces its roots to the early 2000s, despite receiving some heavy refreshes along the way. When first debuted, the SUV had just been kicked. Full-sized models like Expedition, Chevy Tahoe, and GMC Yukon master roost. That will be a few years before high gas prices shift customers into smaller, more efficient crossovers. Ford let the Expedition hike along while Tahoe, Yukon, and others like the Nissan Fleet quickly surpassed it. This new model is a great leap in almost every aspect. Yes, it's still a giant on the road, but it's lighter and more fuel efficient than ever thanks to improved aluminum and aerodynamic bodywork. It's also very powerful, thanks to the EcoBoost twin-turbo V6 3.5-liter Ford. In our Platinum trim tester, it produces 400 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. Inside, the new Expedition looks and feels very similar to the higher Ford F-150. Compared to the crossover craze, large body-on-frame body SUVs such as Expedition and Tahoe form a small piece of cake. Still an important segment to compete. Ask anyone from Ford or Chevy, and they tend to tell you that buyers who want a traditional SUV will not even consider seeing Explorer or Traverse. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 works with a 10-speed automatic transmission that delivers power efficiently and evenly. This large rig can be completely removed when you turn on the gas. The powertrain Expedition is probably the best execution of the 10-speed that rides either in Ford or GM vehicles so far. They jointly developed the gearbox. The distribution of power is distributed evenly and finds itself having to roll back everything to stay at the speed of the law. The Expedition is a strong entry as this segment. Look and feel like a luxury SUV, that one. Dressed in platinum trim, and with several options, our tester is present at almost $77,000, which is more than the base of Lincoln Navigator. Which one do you like, Ford or Lincoln? Experts have warned these monsters of three huge lines that occurred on dinosaur roads since almost the turn of the century. I will believe when I see it.